When you choose a label designed to personalize, it brings you to the customization screen. Here you can make all the changes you want to make the label truly your own. The first line of text is automatically selected, and you'll see it has a blue bounding box around it. You can select and move any unlocked layers just by clicking on it. To change the text, just click inside the box and you'll see the blinking cursor, or you can highlight the entire text. Now you can type in whatever you want it to say. Just click anywhere else on the label to exit out of that line of text. When you have a line of text selected, you can use the tools on the left to make style changes to it. You can easily change the font, the color of the text, the size of the text, and much more. Although the text usually works pretty well where the original design has it, there are certainly times when you might want to move it around and do your own thing. You can do that by just clicking and holding, then move it wherever you like, and you can also rotate it using the handle on top. The tools at the top allow you to add things to the label. Add Image allows you to upload your own photo or graphic, which you can then resize and position as you like. The Add Graphic button brings you to our catalog of images you're free to use, and again you can resize and put it wherever you like. The Layers menu on the right allows you to change the order of everything, so you can put one layer above or below another by clicking and moving it. You can also automatically put a layer in the center of the label by using the Center button. At the top right-hand side of the page, there's an option to add a corresponding back label. Click on it, then make any changes you want, and it's automatically added to your order. If you want to remove it, just click the red trash can, and it will be removed from your order. And if you're signed into your account, you can save everything you create by clicking the Save My Label button. If you don't have an account or are not logged in, you won't see this option. So those are the basics. Get in there and have some fun. You can always check out our other tutorials for more information, or if you have any specific questions, you can always email us through the Contact Us page.